welcome to Electro Pros. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a smart home. So let's get started. Now let us see how our IoT home circuit is working. Here we go. Hey Google, turn on the light.
Turning on the light.
Hey Google, turn off the light.
Turning off the light.
Let us see the hardware requirement. First, we need a Nodemcu, a box, some jumper wires, a micro USB cable, a LED, and a breadboard. This is the block diagram. Now let us see the connections. Connect the D1 pin to the cathode and connect 3v3 pin to anode. And plug in the micro USB cable. Let's connect the USB to the laptop. Now, in order to connect this project board with Google, we have to configure Blynk software, which will communicate further with IFTTT site and Google server. Let us see the process. First, add a button. Here, I have already added a button. Then choose output pin. Then make off 1 and on 0. Then switch the mode to switch. Blynk configuration completed. So let us now configure IFTTT site for command sequence generation for Google Assistant. I have already configured IFTTT site. Let us check what I have done. See, first tap, say a simple phrase is from Google Assistant. Let us see what we have to write here. This is for turning on the light. And this is for making a request. Let us check what we have to make a request. First, make this URL. This is IP address of Blynk, and here the configuration code from Blynk, and then write update. Then write the GPIO number, not the digital number. Then write the body, it will be 0. Method would be put and content type would be application JSON. This is for switch off the light. Both are nearly the same. But here we have to write off instead of on. This would be nearly the same, but the body type would be 1. Let's open the code from Arduino IDE software. You have to write here your Wi-Fi credentials, and here you have to write the authentication code. Let's upload the code. We have also selected this. Then upload. The code is now uploading. The code is now uploaded. As you see, hardware and software both configurations are completed. Now let us see how our IoT home circuit is working. Here we go. Hey Google, turn on the light.
Turning on the light.
Hey Google, turn off the light.
Turning off the light.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.